We've made it! It's December 2025 and Beacon by Synina has officially reached the final 17th floor. It's a huge milestone for us. From breaking ground in July 2024 to completing all 20 levels, 2 basements, the ground floor, 16 residential floors, and now the full amenities floor, all in just 1 year and a half. This is what commitment to excellence looks like. And while most developments fall behind schedule, we're already 4 months ahead. Our interior finishes are in full swing. Electricals and plumbings are now on the 12th floor. Gypsum ceilings and skimming works have reached the 8th floor. Cabinetry is progressing beautifully from the 1st floor. Everything is moving with intention and precision, and at this pace, we expect to be polishing the final details and preparing for handover by October 2026. If you're looking for a trusted developer, one who delivers, one who communicates, one who builds homes that are meant to last, you're looking at Synina Properties. Our show house at Beacon by Synina is open daily. Whether you want a forever home or a high-performing investment, our 3, 4, and 5-bedroom residences give you a place you'll truly be proud to call your own. Call us on 0769 111 666 to schedule your visit.